A beautiful space isn't just about furniture or luxurious decor. It's about how color can shape the atmosphere. One of the most loved shades for its flexibility and beauty is Sherwin-Williams Pure White. When paired with coordinating colors like March Wind and Perle Noir, you get a versatile and captivating palette, perfect for a range of interior styles, from modern minimalism to timeless elegance. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you won't miss out on more color inspiration and interior design tips. Pure White from Sherwin-Williams. Pure White is a bright white that doesn't feel cold or harsh. With a subtle yellow undertone, it offers a warm and inviting presence, making it an ideal choice for nearly any room in the home. Unlike true whites that can often appear sterile or overly bright, Pure White creates a clean look that still feels comfortable and welcoming. The first coordinating color is Pure White. March Wind. As a coordinating color, March Wind offers a cool gray tone with a soft violet undertone. Like a fresh spring breeze, it brings a calming and airy effect to any room. It pairs beautifully with Pure White, creating a space that feels open and light while still full of character. Ideal combination of Pure White with March Wind. Use March Wind as the main wall color in living rooms or bedrooms where a sense of calm is desired, and pair it with Pure White for the trim and ceiling to create a clean, balanced look. Perle Noir from Sherwin-Williams. If you're looking to add a bold and dramatic touch, Perle Noir is the perfect choice. Though nearly black, this color carries deep violet undertones that lend a mysterious and sophisticated feel. Perle Noir is more than just a typical dark accent. It brings emotional depth and high aesthetic value to any space. Ideal combination of Pure White with Perle Noir. Use Pure White as the main wall color in the kitchen, and pair it with Perle Noir for the kitchen cabinets and island to create a striking and elegant contrast. Advantages of Perle Noir: perfect for rooms with ample lighting, adds a masculine or modern chic touch, can serve as an accent color or even a main wall color in certain interior concepts. Wondering how these three colors work together? Here's some inspiration. First, coordinating colors for the living room. For the main walls, use March Wind. For the trim and ceiling, go with Pure White. For an accent wall or built-in shelves, choose Perle Noir. The result is a space that feels comfortable, spacious, and modern, yet still holds a sense of visual depth. Next, coordinating colors for a luxurious bedroom. The wall behind the bed, Perle Noir. The other walls, Pure White accents like pillows, rugs, and artwork, shades of soft lavender or warm gray. This combination creates a calm and romantic atmosphere without feeling heavy. Mix and match according to your personal taste. Sherwin-Williams Pure White, along with March Wind and Perle Noir, creates a well-balanced color palette, blending brightness, calmness, and depth into one harmonious visual experience. This palette is perfect for anyone looking to bring a clean and contemporary atmosphere into their space, while still maintaining character and warmth. With thoughtful color selection and the right lighting, you can transform an ordinary room into an inspiring and inviting place to live.